In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a form on Wix using Jotform. This is a straightforward process that will help enhance your Wix website with custom forms, perfect for collecting data or feedback efficiently. Let's walk through the process together from start to finish. First, we need to head over to Jotform's website, open your browser and go to jotform.com. When you reach the sign-in page, you have a few options to access your account. If you prefer the convenience of connecting through an existing account, you can sign in using your Google or Microsoft credentials. Alternatively, you can also opt to log in with your email address and password, whichever you find most convenient. Once you've signed in, locate the form you wish to embed on Wix. Navigate to the Jotform form builder and select your desired form. If you're new to this, just know that Jotform's interface is user-friendly and you'll find it easy to manage your forms here. With your selected form opened, look up at the top orange navigation bar and click on Publish. This is an important step to ensure that your form is ready to be shared on external platforms. Next, you'll see several options on the left side of your screen. Find and click on Platforms. Jotform supports integrations with various platforms, but since we're focusing on Wix today, locate Wix among the options and select it. This step is crucial because it ensures that the embed code is specifically tailored for Wix, which will help in avoiding any functionality issues when you embed your form. Now that you've selected Wix, a copy code button will appear. Click on this button to copy the embed code to your clipboard. This code is what allows you to integrate the form into your Wix site, essentially turning your form into content that Wix can display and interact with. Finally, it's time to embed your form into your Wix website. Log into your Wix account and open the editor for the page where you want to add your form. Using Wix's editing tools, find the option to add an HTML iframe or custom embed element. Once you've added it to your page, paste the Jotform embed code you copied earlier. Make sure to position and size the iframe according to how you want the form to appear to your visitors before saving and publishing your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a form on Wix using Jotform. Customize and style it further in Wix to fit the overall design of your site. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to check out other useful tips and tricks to make the most out of your Jotform and Wix experience. Thanks for watching.